Ladies and gents, how we doing? It's Monday afternoon. Remnants of a spray. There's always a remnant of a spray. This is why you've got the patterns that we've got. Other than that, not too bad. They've not been spraying above here so much the last week. But they've been spraying over yonder and it's forming and drifting across. But anyway, that's the Skywatch. There's loads of bits of Skywatch, but I normally do the Skywatch at the start of this video now. Anyway, okay, so we had another quality video last night. We got our £2 feature on our action bank for not many spins, so you better crack on back to that video to see what happened. But then when I give you the running total, you'll know what happened. We're 130 down at the start of this session. That is for the whole of the year. Yes, scratch and sip if I don't feel it in my vibes, or if I come down for a few quid and everything's flat and there's no... Sometimes you can come down and everything's buzzed right up, and if it is, you can feel it in the air. I can smell a win or a loss before it even happens. Maybe that's how come we ride in profit land most of the time. Well, out of profit land lately most of the time, but for the last 13 years in profit land. Woo. All right then, me little beauties. Oh, always remember that one. Where we're starting. Johnny's frozen again. Johnny boy's frozen. Mark, Johnny's frozen. Have you fixed number 2? Right, so she'll have 3 plays on here. Yeah, so 4 wishing wells, second press. That's a bloody shame. That wasn't a very good rainbow win, was it? Just the one £5. Oh my. Oh, I wanted to show you 58,888. But we went past it. A switch. Shit, he just dropped off, didn't he? That was a shame. What a get. Yeah, we're not feeling it. Right, let's get over there a minute on the little ones. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, is number 2 working again? Oh, number 3's working again, that's right. That was... I didn't know... No, well, number 2 was wrong, but I'll put a quid in it and see if it...
Yeah,
see if it works. Yes, he's working, yes. Bloody hell. One in here, this one had run out yesterday, but this one goes DTB when it shouldn't, so then all the money comes out and runs out. Right. This one I think is going to be a bit crap. It is DTB, but because it's been jammed up and fucked up, messed up even, you don't know if really it is or not. Got one on there first. Now we'll do that and hopefully jackpot 2 up and a nudge, but can't do it from there actually. Right, we got a quick feature on here the other night, but to not much avail. Right, so we're getting off of here. looks a bit rubbish to me. Let's get over to the old classic. Oh, bugger. Big shout Jay, big shout Guy, big shout all the classic 7 slot lovers, Mr. Concept, King of Concept Kings, or whatever the hell your name is now. Oh, happy birthday for the day as well, Mr. Christopher Agar Lee, or however you say it. Right, what's this getting out of you? We're getting out of here soon anyway. Ruby Riot, what's this one here? Big shout Chill, you had a session on here the other day, didn't you, I think it was you. Oh right, it's another one of them. Just waiting for the old John next door now. 15 quid gone and only a 6-minute video. We had a lot of chances last week for our profit land, didn't we? But we're only looking for a high bronze, any silver or any gold for profit land for the whole year. Right, so run this to 8 minutes. Looks like we're going to be 150 down for the end of this session for the whole of the year. I wasn't going to come down till later actually. I probably won't bother coming down again tonight because it'll be come on. Alright, that's us. £20 down. 150 down for the whole of the year. Let's get out. We're gone. Put a thumb up, share, like, subscribe. You've got a cracking video coming up tonight. Excuse me. Right. Yeah, we're going to get out. We're done for the day. Bit of eBaying to do. I was an eBay video to do later. Did a scratch card video later, but I think I forgot to show your bloody present in it, Brian. But we'll do that at some point. And other than that, we're getting ourselves out of here, Johnny. See you soon.